Hey, it's Charles Pan from Revel Street. We're at Factory 380 today. It's a cool new space. Let's take a look. The Factory 380 is a homage to the Factory, Andy Warhol's studio in the 1960s by Union Square. This venue is located on 28th and 3rd in nearby Madison Square Park. Let's go on the walkthrough. It opened in January 2019 and has original graffiti throughout. In case you can't read it, it says, "But I always say one's company, two's a crowd, and three's a party." Here's the front section here. A quick walk to the first bar on the left side. There's a private bathroom on the right there. And then here is the back section of the bar, which has capacity for 90 and has its own bar on the right, as you can see there, so it's good to cordon off. Behind this section is Edie's Speakeasy. Edie was one of Andy Warhol's superstars. This room has a private bar and disco bar and serves only cocktails. And let's just take a quick peek at the restrooms downstairs. The restrooms also have graffiti on the stalls as well. And that's it, Factory 380.